Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here again with another foundation Friday, and today we're gonna test out this double trouble from Rude. It says a foundation and concealer, but we'll see. So if you want to see how this foundation works, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Yeah, I'm coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out. I'm gonna come out. Yeah, I'm coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out.
Okay, so we're back. First, I'm gonna use my primer that I got in my boxy charm, which is from FARAH Beauty. It's like a silicone primer with a little bit of like wet feel. I'm gonna focus it here. Now, let's go talk about this foundation. So this is from Rude Beauty. My shade is Desert, or that's what I got because that's the only thing that they had that was the closest to my complexion. There is 20 shades and it is $8.25. I think I pay a little bit less than that for it, but we'll go with that. It says foundation and concealer in a single bottle for double the trouble. Accomplish impeccable looks with very little effort, as a single pump will go a long way. Double Trouble Foundation and Concealer provides amazing coverage for dark spots, redness, or uneven skin tone. It's a benefit double as a foundation and concealer in one bottle. Provides flawless foundation or flawless full coverage, long wearing, hydrating, and moisture. Rich, easy to use, and blends effortlessly. About the product: full coverage, natural, liquid. So it said this product is free of parabens and it's also vegan and cruelty free, and it has the usual, 30 milliliters. So let's shake her and let us, I don't know. We'll see if this matches me. Before I do that, let me color correct real quick. This is my corrector from HudaBeauty, and this is Mango. Put in a little bit, nothing crazy. Just a little bit, just a little. Yeah, this is my perfect color corrector shade. So let us I don't know if this is full coverage, but we'll see. I think this is a good shade match, but as for and this is my flawless brush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. This is my favorite foundation brush. Favorite. Oh, one of my favorites. I have a couple others that I use. So this is the side with foundation, and this is with no foundation. I don't know. So it said this is liquid, but this is thick. This is thick. I don't know. I have a scratch on my nose right here, and I'm not even sure where I get it. If I did it while I was sleeping or while I was walking. Because when I'm walking, we walk in like neighborhoods that have like branches up kind of on the sidewalk, so it could be that too. But who knows? Who knows? Just trying to blend this out nicely. I don't know. All I know for sure, this is like, look at that shade match though. So that's a good shade match, but apart from everything else, I don't know. I don't know. I might have to put a little bit more on my cheek, but we'll see. I'm going up a little bit with it because it says it's also a concealer, but then I'm gonna go ahead and obviously use another concealer because this shade is pretty like spot on for my complexion. I'm gonna put a little bit more here. This is a good foundation shade. You go this, cause if it's just gonna be like really like one dimension if I leave this as my concealer shade. See, like, but this is a nice foundation. And guys, it's only $8.25. But you know what? Let me not talk too fast. Let's see how it's gonna actually last. And then, you know, that's gonna be, we're gonna talk about that, you know, at the end of the night. And when I do my check-ins, how it's looking, how it's. So for coverage, I think it is full coverage, but you have to build it up. Did it say it was a matte finish? I don't think it's. I think it's more of a semi-matte, not straight up matte, but not dewy either. I don't know what's up with me, this dewy foundation. Like me, I'm not a huge dewy foundation person. Like I prefer it matte, semi-matte. I don't like it to like be like cakey matte where it looks dry, but this looks good. And it is full coverage, but it's buildable full coverage. I don't think it's like full coverage from like the get-go, but then it is full coverage, right? Okay, I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty concealer and just a little bit. I'm not gonna go too crazy or like go crazy. Set my nose right here, and we're gonna let this dry up a little bit. Okay, so this is how everything is looking laying on that foundation. I think everything looks really nice and simple and not cakey or anything like that. I'm gonna go do my usual, go out and about. I will give you guys my 2 check-ins and my final thoughts at the end of the night on how this foundation works. So see you guys later.
The road was tough. I said to myself, yeah, I'm coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out. I'm gonna come out. Yeah, I'm coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out. I'll be coming out. Some things never change.
Hi guys, so I am doing my first check-in. I'm actually at Ross looking for some headbands to cover my hair, to go my ears to go walking. But yeah, foundation still looks pretty matte. Right now I've been wearing this foundation for about 3 hours. Everything still looks really good. No complaints just yet, but we will see. The night is young. But yeah, I don't have any separation, nothing crazy. So we'll just keep, you know, checking around. I feel like this foundation is gonna be a hit. This foundation is only $8.25, but yeah, and I don't have any creasing or anything like that, anything crazy going on. So it's looking out to be a pretty good foundation. We'll see though. We'll keep wearing it and we'll let you guys know. But yeah, this is my first check-in. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys one more check-in, and I will give you my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later.
Yeah, I'm coming out. I'll be coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out. I'm gonna come out. Yeah, I'm coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out. I'll be coming out. The time was 93 and the world was blind. Oh, I always felt that something else was meant for me.
Hi guys, so I am doing my second check-in. I know this light is so bright, but my foundation still feels pretty matte. I don't even know what this is, but Ooh, it's so cold. But yeah, everything, I don't have any separation, so that's pretty good. Everything still looks pretty matte. Lipstick is coming out because I ate, you know, the huge. But you know what's good about this time? I did not drink, so that's amazing. I had a salad from Mad Greens. It actually wasn't that great, but I don't know what's going on with them. They used to be really good, but I think the quality has kind of dropped a bit. But you know, since I'm not eating meat, I have to figure out, you know, some ways to have salads and, you know, fruits. So yeah, so that is my second check-in. I will give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later.
It wasn't easy, the road was tough. I said to myself, yeah, I'm coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out. I'm gonna come out. Yeah, I'm coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out. Yeah, I'm coming out. I'll be coming out. Some things never change.
Hi guys, we're back and time to talk about, you know, Miss Rude Double Trouble. That's kind of a cute little name, but we'll go with that. So let's find a mirror. Let's find a mirror so we can talk about this foundation. Look at the corner of my nose. Everything like, so right here looks a little shiny, but even if it looks shiny, like it's not even, like there's no gathering, which, you know, usually doesn't happen. Like if it's like shiny, it usually goes here and just kind of collects and makes something there. And I don't really have, I think I wear this foundation for about maybe 4. Actually no, it's already 10:30, so maybe 5 hours, 5-6 hours about there. So I look a little clingy right here, but I think it's cold outside. I want my nose running. I kind of like dab it like right here, so that could have been what took off a little bit of the foundation. But apart from that, I think nothing really crazy in my smile line, just a little bit, but foundations usually do that. I also don't have anything like situation happening around my mouth. My only issue with this foundation is it says it's a foundation and concealer, which for me it doesn't work that way because I like my concealer lighter than my foundation. So but if you like it, like, you know, just your foundation and your concealer to be the same shade, it's perfect. But if you like your concealer to be lighter like I do, no, I'm gonna have to go in with a concealer. But I think it gives you like that nice base, and then you can go ahead and put your concealer, you know, whatever concealer you like over top. But yeah, I don't know. And this foundation, guys, is only $8.25. Oh, actually I have one other, you know, con is they only have 22 shades, so you know a lot of people are not gonna get the match. I have something like right here, I'm not sure what it was, a scratch, and if you can see, like it's like completely covered, you can barely see it. This foundation is full coverage. It's not full coverage from your first application, but you can put like a little bit more and totally make it like perfectly full coverage. Like I have, you know, skin situations right here and it's pretty much all gone. So, and then that right here, and I had a pimple right here, it's pretty much covered. So this foundation is full coverage, $8.25. If you can get your shade, 100%, you know, you should try it. So do I recommend this foundation is the question of the day. Yes, I recommend this foundation 100%. $8.25. If you can get your shade, go out there and get it. So that's it, guys, for this foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.